My name is Meir Marmor. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in orthopedic trauma, which basically means management of complex fractures and in joint replacement. I grew up in Israel. I did all my basic training there, a medical school residency. I came to the US in 2008 as an orthopedic surgeon, and I joined the trauma team at UCSF. I think what's important to realize is that every injury, no matter how small it appears, can be very significant to a patient. For us, it could be a little finger injury, but the patient can lose his hobby or his livelihood. My advice for patients would be to share their goals and wishes with the team that's taking care of them. I think that would be beneficial to their care. So I've been in the OTI since 2008. One of the things that I find very special about the OTI is that we review each other's work. Every morning we look at each other's surgical plans in cases or surgeries that were already done. And I have the ability to comment on my colleagues' surgeries and they comment on mine. I think this ultimately makes us all better surgeons, makes me a better surgeon, and more importantly, assures that the patients get the best possible care.